Today I'm going to show you an updated morning routine of sorts. Just attempting my way into daily vlogging. Just doing this the first thing in the morning would really get me going. And instead of like committing myself to vlogging the entire day, I thought at least let me like just break it down, show you what I like to do in the morning. I have quite a few set of things that I like to do, and it's really built into me like a habit now, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So I like to start the day by obviously brushing my teeth, and then the first thing that I do is actually feed my cats. They're quite hungry in the morning. Like I don't need an alarm anymore because they wake me up dot at 7 in the morning. So this is how I've become a morning person because of my cats. But now I just wake up automatically. My body just wakes up. And then once I'm done feeding them, I like to just hydrate, and I love warm water in the morning. And in my warm water, I like to add a little bit of aloe vera juice, and that's my favorite way to just wake up. She is done eating. Time for her to sunbathe. Okay, so once we're done with drinking the aloe vera, I was mostly on my phone the whole time, just putting up some stories while I drank that, and also like just catching up on what everyone's doing, like watching stories and stuff. I really should change that habit, like looking at my phone first thing in the morning, but it's okay. I just made myself a smoothie. This is what I have been drinking for quite some time now. This is what I wake up to now, and if you'll notice, it is a huge, or if you've been watching my videos, you will know that this is a huge change from that first thing I always needed was coffee. Now I just look forward to this smoothie. It's actually very easy to make. Let me show you. There are only a couple of ingredients. I just have apple, cucumber, 1 lemon and 1 ginger, and yeah, and then I just cut it all and squeeze the juice out of the lemon, and then I just blitz it. And I have been making it so often that now I know exactly how much water to pour into it, so it fills this glass perfectly, and that is so satisfying every morning. So that's what I'm going to do now, and then I will have my coffee in like half an hour of drinking this. And today actually I will be going to the gym. Usually on Mondays I like to do yoga, so Monday, Wednesday and Friday mornings are for yoga, and the rest of the day are for strength training or functional training. I used to do pole class last year. That sounds so strange. I used to do pole classes on the weekend. Because yoga is not happening today, my instructor is actually out of town, so it's not happening today, so we're going to the gym instead. So before I can even drink my coffee, this is the first thing I have to do. Oh, okay, sorry. She's looking at me like, why do you stop? She loves getting brushed. It's her favorite thing. So I'm gonna drink my coffee with one hand and brush sushi on the other. So earlier I used to have biscuits with my coffee, and I realized that it was just a munchy thing, that I needed something with my coffee, and I actually switched to makhna. Recently these are just plain unsalted makhna, which I don't know why I'm very weirdly obsessed with. And this is like my perfect coffee companion. I love having this in the morning, and this is like the perfect munchies for me as well, without adding to like unnecessary like calories. Even though I realized that I was eating healthier biscuits, you know, those multi-grain ones, but eventually it was really adding up. I had gained quite a bit of weight, and I was really trying to eat better, so I was so glad I kind of switched to this. I've also realized that It was making me really bloated, and this is much better. Please excuse the background, but I am going to do my skincare now. I just changed into my workout outfit. It's a nice set. I will show you guys, but I am going to wash my face first. I'm going to use the Kiehl's Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Wash. Actually, I'm just finishing one bottle and I got a new one. I love this. So let's go ahead and wash my face. Now I'm going to use Moisture Surge. I'm actually, I had seen a dermatologist. I went to Dr. Shred's clinic. Due to flaky scalp, I started breaking out quite a bit, and I'm currently under medication. So I have a strict order of a skincare routine that I need to follow, so I'm doing exactly that. And so I've used my moisturizer, and now I'm supposed to apply this ointment right here, which was prescribed to me. So I'm just gonna take like a pea-sized amount. So I was told to first cleanse my face with a nice gentle cleanser. So I told her the ones that I use, and she was okay with the Kiehl's one that I'm using. And then she said just apply my Moisture Surge and then this ointment. Just massage it all over my face and neck. And once that is done, I am going to use sunscreen. She was actually okay with the sunscreen that I used and loved. That's the Dermaco one. But I actually almost like finished using it, and I anyway wanted to know what she was suggesting, because you know I love sunscreens that dermatologist recommends. So she was okay with me using this one, the 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel, but it's almost over. There's barely anything in it, so she suggested that I buy this one, which is called Isdin Fusion Water. It was a little expensive, but honestly I am really impressed. Like, the formula is so good. It's very lightweight, and it doesn't really leave any white cast or anything on my face. And it just like dissolves into my skin. It doesn't irritate my eyes, which is a big concern. Some sunscreens can really burn and irritate my eyes, but this one, it just sits so beautifully. I love the formulation of this, and I think it would work really well under makeup as well. This is the set I'm wearing today. It's from Uniqlo, and I think this is a yoga set, so it doesn't have the best support, but it's really comfortable. It's perfect for yoga. But today I don't really have a very cardio heavy day. I'm just doing strength training, so I don't really need a lot of support. I do love the comfort and the material. It's really nice. This is the water bottle that I usually take to the gym. I think I got this from Decathlon, and I wanted to show you something that I like to put in my water. So this is Fast Enough. This is Reload plus caffeine. Oh my god, you know I love my caffeine, and I feel like I just work out so much better with caffeine in my system. It's almost like my pre-workout. Plus it also has like electrolytes, so it comes in this tablet that I just like to pop in, and by the time I reach my gym, it's like all nice and mixed. Just got done with gym. That was intense. Having some coconut water. Now I'm just gonna go to work. I just had a meeting and I am going to, I think, straight away go and edit this video. So this could be my first YouTube video for 2022, and I hope you guys had an amazing New Year's, and I'm hoping that this year is really great for you. I hope you achieve everything that you wanted, and I hope I can keep up my resolution to like really slowly get back into sharing my life more on YouTube. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.